Get into the 2019 Kia Sorento. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a capable Kia Sorento, the comfortable, connected midsize crossover available in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. With plenty of passenger and cargo space, standard infotainment system, and advanced safety features, you'll be relaxed and confident on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks. Prepare to build lasting family memories in this smooth, spacious Sorento. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.